The Rain or Shine Alaska Painters beat the MX Road Warriors for a slot in the semifinals. Good evening and welcome to the post-game press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Yeng Yao, and our best player of the game, Leonard Santillan. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Yeng, you had to overcome a lot of things just to get to the semis. But looking at everything that has happened, what for you made it possible to emerge victorious in this matchup kahit na meron kayo twice to beat this advantage?
Yeah, again, nakaraos no, nakalusot kami ulit. This is our fourth straight time to make the semis. But we did, ang dami naming ginawang mali. We gave up 25 offensive rebounds. We gave up 19 turnovers. We lost fast break points. No? We felt that fast break is our game. Pero talo kami nun. But we still won the game. Ito yung pinag-uusapan namin sa locker room. Just play our brand of game, which is we call it buwis buhay basketball. Parang effort lang, grit lang. If something's going on mali or you can't get your rhythm in the game, just put on the effort, just play on grit, be tough. Doon lang namin nakuha. Pati yung first game namin, doon din namin nakuha. So, we just play our brand of game. If things are not working out, just make the best effort. That's what we did tonight.
Thank you, Coach Yeng. Now, Santi, ikaw rin, you were all over the floor, shooting, rebounding, and defending. Making timely shots para lang makabawi kayo sa MX. Anong klaseng tulong yung nakuha mo mula sa iyong mga teammates na nakatulong sa performance mo at makakatulong ngayon papunta na kayo sa semifinals for the fourth time?
Like Coach said, laging aggressive lang kami laging. Yun, nandito naman ako para itulong sa team. Anong kailangan, yun ako lagi. And then, yun, shoutout kay Mike, no? Mike Malonzo kasi siya yung parang bumuhay sa amin last year, nung itong position na to. So, i-shoutout sa akin.
Thank you, Santi. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Ang galing mo, Eric Tanas! Wala dito. Mas masikat pa rin.
Coach, congrats. Coach, fourth straight time to semis, but will be again against TNT. Siyempre, Coach, masaya kayo na semis kayo, but gusto nyo hindi lang yung feeling nyo this time.
Yes, yun naman ang ano namin eh. Parang motto namin, just show up, be there. One of these days, maybe you'll get to the next next level. So, dito lang kami. Basta susubukan lang namin kung ano yung kaya namin. TNT, champion team, going for a Grand Slam. But, nandiyan kami, lalabanan namin sila. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan yung aabutin namin. Yun nga, yung sinasabi ko, bigay nyo lang lahat, todo nyo lang lahat. Every game. We run our style of play, we run our system. Put 100% effort into it, bahala na kami yung resulta. So, ganoon lang kami.
Santi, binenso mo si Mike Palonzo ano baka hard worker si Mike, considering hindi naman siya yung kilalang player out of NBBL na papakita siya ng mga ganitong throughout the conference.
Well, sa practice nakikita namin siya, nag-extra work siya lagi. Siya yung maaga lagi. Nandun siya, nag-shooting agad. So, kami naman naganahan na extra work. No? Kaya talagang tutugigay kami sa extra work.
Coach, on Mike also, panukat doon?
Nung nakita namin si Mike, I don't know kung if people notice, when we signed him up for 3 years. We did not sign him up for 1 year. Nakita na namin agad na may potential to. So, hindi na namin pinag-usapan kung isang taon ba yan, 2 taon ba yan. Sabi namin, 3 taon muna yan. Agad yan nakita na namin kasi pa nakakapang offense, defense, malakas ang katawan. So, may potential naman talaga yung bata.
Coach, do you feel like you have a better chance now that wala si RHJ na best effort multiple times?
Siyempre, yun ang iisipin mo. No? Pero pagdating ng laban, pagka nandiyan na yung TNT, pagkakaharap mo na sina Uftana, sina Pogoy, no? Tapos may heading pa sila ngayon. Akala mo nagpapalakas si RHJ. Pero pag nandiyan na sila, all Filipino, malakas pa rin sila. So, hindi mo masasabi yun. I think they have a purpose. Mahirap yung kalaban mo na mayroong tinutumpirya talaga na gusto nilang gawin. Pero meron din kami purpose. So, tingnan natin kung sinong makakagawa ng kanilang makaka-achieve ng kanilang goal. Pero siguro sa dami ng beses na nakakalaban namin sila, will be a little bit more comfortable this time. Siguro medyo alam na rin namin kung ano yung mas makakaganda sa game plan namin. Pero iba talaga yung talent nila. Ano naman talaga yun? Even naman talaga na it's a very talented team.
Coach, yung naalala ko kasi nung na-interview si Coach Scott after isa laro yung sa elimination round, he said na he expects you na makakaharap na uli kayo down the line. Do you think the same way na in order to get over the hump, kailangan
Yes. No, kasi kami, wala naman kaming dadaan ng iba eh. Ang dadaanan mo lang naman dyan, TNT, Ginebra, tsaka San Miguel na yun yung diba? So, I'm really proud of these guys. Because now TNT is there, San Miguel is there, Ginebra is there, and then Rain or Shine is there. Sino ba kami? Diba? Parang gate crusher lang kami dito. Daming mas malaking mga kumpanya, mas maraming resources. Pero kami nakarating dito. So, pinabili lang kami ng suka, nakarating kami dito. Di ba pintura? Pintura, kasama na. So, gate crusher kami, nagpa-party sila. Pinapasok kami sa gate eh. Di magpa-party na rin kami. Ganun lang.
Should we expect na i-prevent na Lex si Clarito from the worst, from getting the worst after his game of performance?
Mahirap i-prevent si Clarito from the boards eh. May ano siya eh, meron siya talagang natural na instinct. Hindi ko naman tinuruan rebound yun. Kahit dun sa mga pinanggalingan niya team, ganun na talaga siya. So, yes, you can put in extra effort against him, but it's natural for him na talagang, ang tawag namin sa kanya, level 3 rebounder siya. Kahit na i-box out mo, they will put on a second and third effort to get the rebound. So, those are special players. Hindi maraming kukunti na.
Coach, good evening. Coach, may konting satisfaction ba that you ousted your former teammate?
Wala. Satisfaction, wala. Gusto ko lang makarating ng semis. Kasi wala kaming bad blood, wala kaming sama ng loob. Yung NLEX team, ang tingin ko, malapit na rin yung panahon nila. Ang hirap na nilang talunin ngayon. Yung mga bata, nandiyan na. I think they put in the proper personnel, the proper style of play. So, credit to Coach Joe and his staff and to Boss Ronald for putting together a very competitive team. Malapit na yung panahon.
Coach, may added motivation ba kasi rin siya yung wala pa yung Pilipino tapos ito parang namin tapos so yun pa rin yung wala yung Pilipino tapos ngayon may chance pa?
Hindi ko pa I'm really not distracted by mga ibang thoughts na gano'n. Siguro ngayon ang gusto ko lang mag-focus. Pahinga ng konti, mag-relax ng konti. Tapos, on Monday, we start preparing for the semifinals. So, I don't give way to mga distractions. in terms of kung nangyari na, wala ka na magagawa, you have no control over events or things, then just let it go. Just let it go.
Sandy, yun lang yung possible matchup mo against Calvin Montana siguro or si BGR ba?
Kahit naman sino.
Kahit sino, pwede.
Kahit sino. Kasi si Calvin may mukha naman, parehas naman kami ng mukha.
Kahit palitan kayo mga mukha,
Palitan
pwede.
ka naman, pwede. Ready lang kami.
Okay?
And that sums up our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again to Ray Shine.